Welcome friends, in this video I am going to tell about insert items inside a list, existing list. So insert is the function and that function helps you to insert a specific item in a specific position in a given list. So how it is going to be work? Let's see three code. Okay, so fine, first of all you have to declare here list L equal to list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Okay, 6 is there. Then there is a L dot insert. Within that insert you have to give in you your index number, then value, that is A, and when you are going to be print, that is a list. Okay, so when you run it the code, and you will see A is present on the index value of 3, means that our counting is third position, but in a array index counting begins from the 0, from the starts from the left side to the right side, 0 1 2. So here is coming to the 2, so 3 will be shifted to the fourth index, and here A will be inserted, and here A is counted as the third index. So here 3 after 3, sorry, here insert A after 3, means 0 1 2. So after 3, between the 3 and 4, A is going to be inserted. Sorry, I will tell that the 3 is going to be replaced and 3 is going to not going to be shifted. After 3, the insert element is going to be print, add it on a particular list. So if I will go for the another list, sorry, another item added inside a list, insert, and here I have to give in 5 comma, here I have to give in 45.89 as a float value, then print L. Okay, so what is going to be written here? See, here 45.89, the floating the value is added after the fourth index, means our counting is the fifth index, after the fifth index. But when the array is counting starts from beginning from the 0 1 2 3, okay, 4. So here it is going to be insert 0 1 2 3 4, with in between 5 and 6 the new element float data 45.89 is going to be inserted. Okay, fine, 4 and 5. Okay, so here is another point is there, our counting from here 5. Okay, I will take in this list, primary list, but when you added the new element, that is A, and in the position of 3, the list is going to be changed while you going to be print, and on that particular list, okay, on that particular updated list, when you are going to be added 45.89, the index values and the element or items present inside the list is also going to be changed. If you after update the list, and next you are going to add the another list item inside the updated list. So here our counting from the fifth element is 0 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, 4 and 6, the element fifth is a value is 45.89 value is going to be inserted, but the after adding the third element, sorry, third index value of an element A, then the entire list of index values are going to be changed, and the new element that is going to be inserted after fifth. Fifth means here the fourth is the going to be the fifth index. So here you see 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, then 4, and between the 5 there is going to be inserted fifth index. Fifth means the position of that particular new element is going to be added in the specific index value, and the item is going to be inserted on that specific index value. So you have to remember this thing, because fifth means the index position is fifth, after fourth the next index position is fifth. So our counting is 5, but in array counting it will be 4. So 0 1 2 3 4, after 4 it is going to be added. Very simple, don't confuse. If you take in the list after the updated list, then it is going to be the changes the index values and the items also, which you are going to be accessed through the index values. So keep remember these points, and it will be easy for you to do the code in Python. So if you like this video, please go click on the like button, please share this video, and please click the subscribe button. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will know through the click on the bell icon. Okay, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Okay, thank you.